Okay, I'm doing this video as I've got a Rapido 962M and the headlight motor has failed. Now, I couldn't find the one with the other sort of plug, which is the one that goes straight on there. Just couldn't find it available anywhere. But what I did, I had a look at these numbers here, and if you just scroll back and have a look at those numbers, you'll see it says 004-375-54. The 004-375 refers to the motor, and the 54 appears to refer to the type of plug. Now this one was a different number, so I got the idea maybe I could strip this down, swap it over and use it, and apparently you can. So I hope this helps. So basically I've relieved these clips and separated the two halves of the motor. Now on both the Rapido one, these are 3 long plugs that go straight the way through the plastic case into one that faces direct, whereas this one, they just push in, as you can see on the inside there, and they just slot straight out. Now it may come apart, it may not, but it's held together by these rubber pieces that just pull off, and then that allows this piece to pull off quite freely. Now you'll see in here, you need to be very careful that this little plastic section here on the one that you're rebuilding doesn't break, as this is the piece that senses the height of the headlight. So what we've got to do is we've just got to separate that by a little pull up, and it comes apart. Now that'll really relieve the lot, and you'll see now that this piece inside here is actually the same as the Rapido, exactly. So then you take this piece off the Rapido motor, and you need to make sure that these two metals line up into those 2 holes. You put it together and push. Now it won't immediately click back in here. What you've got to do is just push that down, I don't know if you can see that okay, and click it in. That means that this board now will sense the height in there. So then you take the 4 pieces of rubber, slot them on. As you can see, quite easy. Then you take your Rapido case, obviously not this one, with the correct plug on, and literally slot it back over, and the 3 tangs for the Rapido plug will just pop through the holes. Click it back together, and as long as you bought one that is in good working order, most of your work is done. The other piece you'll have to do, you might have to just swap over the peg, might have a bit of messing about to do there. I used a little M5 lock nut on there, and then there's a rubber on the Rapido that just protects this bit from dirt, ingress. I just took that out of this one and put it into the new one. I can't remember what it was off, but like I say, the important part is the 004-375, and that was it. I pushed it back onto the Rapido, and my headlights now, both of them are just up and down as they should do, and happy as Larry. Thank you very much if you've found this interesting, and I hope it helps your problem. Thank you. Bye.